starting with this piece of scrap decking. I'm going to make use of it and make it into bird feeder. So basically what I've done, I've just measured it up and put a straight line there. So it's 17 inches, be whatever size you want it to be. So I'm just going to saw this. Amy's already doing hers. I've got another spare piece here, and I've just measured out half of it. So it's like 8 inches that way and 8 inches that way, so it's 16 inches in total. So I'm just going to saw down the middle, just to split it. It's in half, and obviously this is going to be the roof, but one side's going to be longer than the other, so we just need to trim the edge off one of them. So I'm just going to draw a line on this bit, and this is the bit that's going to get cut off here. So the edges and all the wood are just a little bit rough, so I'm just going to sand them with some rough sandpaper and smooth them all out. So we're all sanded, all pieces are all cut ready. We just need to get some screws and put everything together. So this is the roof. So you've got two pieces. Don't forget one's a little bit longer than the other. And this is the bit that's going to hold the teacup on and saucer. And obviously this is the backbone of it all. Put one hole here. I'm just going to drill another hole. And this is on the longer piece of the roof. This is Amy's first go at using a drill. Are you nervous? Nope. Well done. So we've got these 30mm wood screws that we're going to put into here. Just putting the screw in part way, not right through. Obviously it'd be quicker if you used a screwdriver or a cordless one. Yeah. Oh. So we're going to put the shelf on to the backboard. This is where the cup and saucer is going to rest. But obviously we need it to be balanced out, nice and level. So I've measured 4 inches from the bottom up there and 4 inches there. Drawn a line across, and that'll be my level. But just to double check with the spirit level, if you just put your spirit level against the line, you'll see whether it's level or not. So I've put some dots in the grooves here. Just drilled one hole in this one, so I'm just going to drill holes in these other two. Lined up against the wood, and then on this side around here we've got the 3 screws ready to be screwed in. We're going to put the roof on. So I've just measured across here and halved it, so we've got the centre, and then the roof I've just measured from the top to here, top to there, and then lined it up so the roof is level as well. And now we're just going to put some holes in so we can attach the roof to the main part of the bird feeder. So that's the woodwork finished. I'm just going to spruce it up with a bit of paint now. I'm just using acrylics, and then what I'll do after is that I'll varnish over it just to weatherproof it. So it's finished. I've just glued the cup and the saucer together and glued the cup and saucer onto the wood. I used a mixture of a glue gun and Gorilla Glue, and I've just put some bird seeds in now, so hopefully the birds will come.